Soutish Review 2024 Pros and Cons. Is Soutish free? You won't believe how business management platforms have evolved in 2024. Soutish offers Scrum, project management, and client portal solutions. But is it worth it? The surprising truth is integration. Most people get this wrong by thinking you need multiple apps for business management. Soutish combines invoicing, task tracking, file sharing, and client portals in one platform, streamlining operations. One major advantage is customization. You won't believe what happens next when you see Soutish allows branded client portals, automated workflows, and flexible permissions. It helps businesses maintain professionalism and efficiency without juggling multiple tools. Soutish offers a free trial, but full access requires a subscription. Pricing is competitive for the features offered, and customer support is responsive to setup or troubleshooting queries. However, there are cons. Some users may find the interface overwhelming at first, and advanced features require learning time. Mobile app functionality is improving, but may not match the desktop experience fully. In conclusion, Soutish in 2024 is ideal for small to medium businesses seeking an all-in-one management platform. While not completely free, its integration, customization, and workflow automation make it a valuable tool for business efficiency and client engagement.